searching for dark energy did not give good results. Um, this idea about dark energy, everything about universal space, our scientific ideas about universal space went wrong in the year 1905 when Einstein published his special relativity. Special relativity is a mathematical theory, it's not physical theory. It was quite good for his time, but now it is developed into physical theory. I was talking about this in previous videos. What happened in 1905, that scientific community got the wrong idea that this universal space has 4 dimensions and one is time. This is the most disastrous idea in the science ever. And sure, this marriage between time and space has produced many children. And these children are actually very unhappy children. And one of these children is one of these ideas that came out that dark matter is in the universal space. Somewhere in the space-time must be dark matter and dark energy. Now, when we drop idea that time is a 4 dimension of space, we see and we observe, and it's clear that universal space is time invariant. There is absolutely no time in the physical universe. There is only change of events, of material changes in space, but this space is time invariant, which means talking about past and future is nonsense, is pseudoscience. Now, we observe in the universe that physical objects are in the space, and the physical object has an attribute of energy and mass and matter, better to say. So, a given phenomena, which is, let's say, our planet Earth, cannot exist in the medium that has only geometrical existence and has no physical properties. This is the case in Einstein general relativity. Okay, universal space has no physical properties. It has only geometrical curvature. Now, the case is that universal space is a type of energy, and that this energy is dark energy. Dark energy is the energy of the universal space. It is not that somewhere in the universal space dark energy is hiding somewhere behind the corner. No. This is a 4-dimensional type of energy that we are merged in. We are living in this 4-dimensional type of energy. But this 4-dimensional type of energy is also inside of us. I hope you got that point. So when my body started, it is not that space it's stopping there. Space is also inside. Okay, look, you see, I make a hole in my hand. I press it in. The space it's here. But now as the hand is like this, the space is also inside. Because space is four-dimensional and physical objects are three-dimensional. So when we move a given physical object, three-dimensional object, through four-dimensional space, one dimension is always free. We cannot catch this dimension. That's why we cannot catch dark energy. With our means of scientific means which we have, all the apparatus that we need, that we use in science, are three-dimensional. Okay, so we cannot grasp four-dimensional reality with three-dimensional apparatus. So Einstein, he was extremely intelligent and he solved all the problems, but many of his solutions were only tricks. And when they actually, when the Michelson-Morley experiment got a null negative result, and then Einstein solved the problem and he said, a photon can move through empty space. This was the biggest mistake of Albert Einstein. Photon can move only through a medium that has means of energy, because photon is energy. And photon actually is excitation, is a wave of dark energy. And this dark energy is the energy of the universal space. And this universal space is time invariant. And this is so-called, in the old terms, ether. And ether, or let's say dark energy as a type of energy, is syntropy type of energy. Syntropy type of energy. The entropy is valid only for matter, which is structured out of the atoms. So entropy belongs to three-dimensional world. All the rest of the universe, all the other dimensions are four or more dimensional, and in these layers of energy, there is no entropy. We gave in science entropy a huge importance. This is it. Happy Christmas.